Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. What if I told you that a simple mixture of baking soda and water could help prevent kidney stones, support healthy kidney function, and even slow the progression of chronic kidney disease? That's right, sodium bicarbonate, commonly known as baking soda, might offer remarkable benefits for your kidneys. While baking soda is often praised for its ability to relieve heartburn, improve oral health, and potentially prevent serious illnesses like cancer, its role in supporting kidney health deserves special attention. If you've ever struggled with kidney stones or are concerned about maintaining optimal kidney health, this simple remedy might be worth considering. Have you ever wondered why baking soda is so effective in promoting kidney health? What makes it such a powerful tool for reducing acidity, preventing stones, and supporting overall kidney function? In this video, we'll take a deep dive into the benefits of drinking water with baking soda, focusing on how it works in your body and whether it truly lives up to the claims, especially for kidney health. I'll guide you through how to prepare it correctly and what precautions you should take to ensure its safe use. Many of us have baking soda stored in our kitchens, but few realize how useful it can be for kidney protection. Baking soda's ability to neutralize excess acid in the body makes it particularly helpful in maintaining a balanced pH, which is crucial for kidney health. It can help prevent the formation of kidney stones, enhance kidney function, and even slow down the progression of chronic kidney disease in some cases. Let's get started. First, let's talk about how baking soda may help prevent kidney stones. Kidney stones are one of those health problems that sound minor until you actually experience them. Then you realize they're agonizingly painful. If you've ever had kidney stones, you probably want to avoid getting them again at all costs. It turns out baking soda water might help with that. Kidney stones form when certain substances in your urine start to crystallize. The most common type is calcium oxalate stones. Drinking baking soda water can make your urine less acidic, which makes it harder for these stones to form. While further research is necessary, some studies indicate that taking sodium bicarbonate supplements may enhance kidney function and assist in slowing the progression of chronic kidney disease. Of course, baking soda water isn't the only way to prevent kidney stones. Staying hydrated, limiting sodium, and eating less animal protein can also help. But adding baking soda water to your routine might give you extra protection. Next up, baking soda might also help slow down chronic kidney disease. Chronic kidney disease is a serious condition where your kidneys gradually lose function over time. It affects millions of people and can eventually lead to kidney failure. There's some evidence that baking soda might help slow the progression of this disease. Your kidneys play a crucial role in maintaining the pH balance in your body. As kidney function declines, it becomes harder for your body to keep this balance, leading to a condition called metabolic acidosis. Baking soda can help neutralize this acid, reducing strain on the kidneys. One study found that patients with chronic kidney disease who took baking soda supplements had a much slower decline in kidney function compared to those who didn't. It's important to note that you should never try to treat kidney disease on your own. Always work with a doctor. But if you have this condition, it might be worth asking your doctor about using baking soda as part of your treatment plan. Now, let's shift focus to how baking soda can boost your oral health. We usually think of baking soda as something that cleans our teeth from the outside. That's why it's a common ingredient in toothpaste. But drinking baking soda water might help your teeth from the inside too. Your mouth is home to many types of bacteria. Some of these are harmless, but others can cause tooth decay and gum disease. Many of these harmful bacteria thrive in acidic environments. Drinking baking soda water can help neutralize acids in your mouth, making it less hospitable for these bacteria. It can also help neutralize acids from the foods you eat, which can erode your tooth enamel over time. One study found that rinsing with a baking soda solution was more effective at reducing plaque than rinsing with plain water. While this study looked at rinsing rather than drinking, it suggests that baking soda can have a positive effect on oral health. Rinsing your mouth with a mixture of water and baking soda can be a helpful way to fight bad breath. Baking soda works to neutralize the acids in your mouth. It also has antibacterial properties that help decrease the bacteria in your mouth. While this practice is beneficial, it shouldn't take the place of brushing and flossing. It can be a useful extra step for anyone dealing with bad breath. Here's something surprising: baking soda may even enhance cancer treatments. This one might be the most surprising for you, don't you think? It turns out that baking soda might make some cancer treatments more effective. Many types of cancer thrive in acidic environments. Some researchers believe that making the area around tumors less acidic could help combat the cancer. Baking soda, being alkaline, can help with this. A study from 2009 published in Cancer Research discovered that injecting bicarbonate into mice lowered tumor pH levels and slowed down the progression of metastatic breast cancer. A study from 2015 published in the Journal of Experimental and Clinical Cancer Research discovered that high doses of the PPI esomeprazole notably improved the effectiveness of chemotherapy in women with metastatic breast cancer. Now, it's crucial to understand that this doesn't mean baking soda cures cancer. It doesn't. And you should never try to treat cancer on your own. But this research suggests that baking soda might be a useful addition to some cancer treatment protocols. If you're undergoing cancer treatment, it might be worth discussing with your oncologist. What about improving athletic performance? Baking soda might help here too. This one is surprising. Yes, many athletes use it to enhance their performance. The science behind this is pretty interesting. When you exercise intensely, lactic acid builds up in your muscles. This is what causes that burning sensation when you're pushing yourself hard. It also makes your muscles more acidic, which can limit their ability to keep working. Baking soda is alkaline, so it can help counteract this acidity. By making your blood slightly more alkaline, it allows your muscles to work harder for longer before fatigue sets in. Baking soda might help you feel less tired, thanks to its high pH, allowing you to keep going at your best for a bit longer. One study showed that cyclists who consumed baking soda worked out for about 4.5 minutes longer compared to those who didn't. Several studies have found that taking baking soda before intense exercise can improve performance, especially in high-intensity activities. According to a study in the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition, consuming sodium bicarbonate in doses ranging from 0.2 to 0.5 grams per kilogram can enhance performance in activities that require muscular endurance, such as combat sports like boxing, judo, karate, taekwondo, and wrestling, as well as in high-intensity cycling, running, swimming, and rowing. Its benefits are particularly noted for high-intensity exercises lasting between 30 seconds and 12 minutes. Next, let's explore how baking soda might benefit your skin. Baking soda has anti-inflammatory and antiseptic properties. This makes it potentially useful for treating various skin conditions. Some people find it helps with issues like acne, eczema, and psoriasis. For example, a baking soda paste can help soothe the itching and inflammation from insect bites. A baking soda bath is frequently suggested to help relieve itchy skin caused by bug bites or bee stings. Baking soda can also help relieve itchy skin caused by sunburn. Some individuals believe it works even better when mixed with ingredients like cornstarch and oatmeal. To make a baking soda bath, dissolve 1 to 2 cups, 220 to 440 grams, of baking soda in a lukewarm bath and make sure the affected area is fully submerged. It also can help exfoliate dead skin cells, potentially improving skin texture. Of course, everyone's skin is different. What works for one person might not work for another. If you have a skin condition, it's always best to consult with a dermatologist before trying new treatments. Finally, let's discuss how baking soda can relieve heartburn and indigestion. This is probably the best known use for baking soda water. If you've ever had bad heartburn, you know how miserable it can be. That burning sensation in your chest and throat can make it hard to sleep or focus on anything else. Baking soda works as an antacid by neutralizing stomach acid. When you drink it, it reacts with the hydrochloric acid in your stomach to create harmless byproducts like water and carbon dioxide. This reduces the acidity in your stomach and can quickly relieve the symptoms of heartburn. It's worth noting that while baking soda water can provide fast relief, it's not a good long-term solution for chronic heartburn. If you find yourself reaching for it regularly, you should talk to a doctor about underlying causes and other treatment options, but for occasional heartburn, it's a cheap and effective remedy. To make a simple baking soda water solution, start by adding half a teaspoon of baking soda to around 200 milliliters of warm or room temperature water. Stir the mixture thoroughly until the baking soda is fully dissolved. Sip it slowly to allow your body to absorb it more effectively. For best results, especially if you're using it for digestive relief or kidney health, it's recommended to drink this on an empty stomach. While baking soda can offer several health benefits, especially for those looking to support their kidney function, there are important precautions to consider. If you have high blood pressure, it's essential to limit your intake of baking soda, as it contains sodium, which can elevate blood pressure. For individuals with kidney failure or advanced chronic kidney disease, it's advised to avoid baking soda entirely unless specifically recommended by a doctor. Similarly, if you suffer from heart conditions such as congestive heart failure, consult with a healthcare professional before using baking soda, as excess sodium can strain the heart and kidneys. It's also worth noting that baking soda can interact with certain medications, including some antacids, blood pressure medications, and certain antibiotics. Always talk to your doctor before introducing baking soda water into your routine to ensure it won't interfere with any treatments you're undergoing. For those dealing with chronic kidney issues, baking soda may provide a valuable benefit. As kidney function declines, the body can struggle to maintain a balanced pH, leading to a condition known as metabolic acidosis, where acid builds up in the bloodstream. Baking soda, being an alkaline substance, can help neutralize this excess acid, which can ease the strain on the kidneys and may help slow disease progression. Some studies have shown that patients with chronic kidney disease who take baking soda supplements experience a slower decline in kidney function compared to those who don't. However, it's vital to follow a doctor's advice and never self-treat, as improper use could lead to complications. It's important to remember that while baking soda water has potential benefits, it's not a miracle cure. It should not replace other treatments, a balanced diet, or regular exercise. It's also critical to understand that while baking soda can support kidney health, particularly in neutralizing acid in the bloodstream, more research is needed to confirm its effectiveness across the board. Moderation is key. If used in excess, baking soda can cause side effects such as nausea, vomiting, or, in extreme cases, more serious health issues. Stick to small amounts, no more than half a teaspoon in a glass of water, and only a few times a week unless directed otherwise by your healthcare provider. So, the next time you see that box of baking soda in your pantry, think beyond the kitchen. It might just be a simple and affordable way to help support your kidneys and overall health. Now, we'd love to hear from you. Have you tried using baking soda water, particularly for kidney health or other purposes? Share your stories, experiences, and any questions you have in the comments section. Let's build a community of knowledge around this simple yet powerful household ingredient. If you found this video helpful, type yes in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you'll never miss any of our future videos. Share this video with your friends and family so they can also learn about the potential health benefits of baking soda water and use it safely. And before you go, check out these 2 videos we've selected just for you. They're packed with more valuable health tips. Have a great day, and stay healthy, friends.